here. Welcome to 18th day of 100 days of coding challenge from VCode. So let's see the question number 1. So the question is, write a Java program to print an inverted right angle triangle pattern of asterisk. Previously we had already seen the normal right angle triangle pattern. So if you had done that, this will be very easy for you. And now the input format is the integer n representing the number of rows in that triangle. Output format is the pattern itself, where each row consists of asterisk. Asterisk is the same symbol as the star, which we call it commonly. So the sample input, if we get given 5, which is an integer, then the output format must be this. So this, we have 5 stars, and that is 5 columns and 5 rows. So this is the output. So what is the logic behind this? Let's find out. So as we had been given the triangle pattern, we had observed that as we increase the row number, the number of stars in that pattern has decreased. So here let me take the variable as n for representing the number of rows and columns. If the number is 4, so let me take the number as 4 for now. So here for the first row I will be having the 4 stars, and the second row I will be having 3, and the third row I will be having 2, and the finally fourth row I will be having 1. So why I have stopped here? So this is because I have come to the end of the number of rows. So the number of rows are 4 and the number of columns are also 4. We are starting with the 4 stars, which is the n stars, and we are ending with only 1. So what is the logic here? If I take the row number as I and the column number as j, I is generally, as every time it is starting from 1 and ending till the number n, so both inclusive, and j here is starting here in each row. Here j in the first row is 4 and second row is 3, third row is 2 and fourth row is 1, as we have observed. So what is j value in terms of I here? So in the first row j is going from 4 till the value greater than I, greater than or equal to I. In the second value, in the second row, the j value is going from 3 till the value greater than or equal to I. So here 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is going from 4, 3 to 1. So that is, in the first row it is printing 4 times. In the second row it is going from 3 to 1. So it is going to print only 3 times. So I am saying the logic for the inner for loop here. So what can we observe here? It is the inner for loop, or the number of stars is going from n till the number which is greater than or equal to I, and in each iteration we are going to decrease this n with one number. So this is the logic for the inner for loop here, and the outer for loop is as usual, which will go from 1 till n. So this is the logic here. So now let's do the code. So first of all, let me create the Java file. So let me name it as invert triangle .java, and now let me write the main method. So now let me declare the variable to take the input. For that I need a scanner object. Let me create the scanner object. So now I will do a quick fix to import this scanner class. So let me declare the variable as n and ob.next. In, you can see we have got the suggestions here. So this is the benefit of using an IDE while coding. So now it's time to write our logic. So let me write the for loops, nested for loops. Most of the patterns use nested for loop concept. In the first loop, what do we have? The number of rows. Let me start the number of rows with 1, and it goes till the number of rows n, which I had already got from the user. And in the second inner for loop, we are going to start this j with n, and will go, this j will go till it is greater than or equal to I, and j minus minus. You have to keep in mind, because we are going from here, we are going from n till a number less than n. So, definitely we are going to subtract this n value in each iteration. So, for the first row, till where this is going to get iterated. So, for the first row, when I is equal to 1, the j value will go. So, let me take some j value as 4. So, in the first iteration of the inner loop, the j value will be 4. In the second iteration, j value will be 3. Third iteration is 2, and fourth iteration it is 1. So, j had become equal to 1, and these many times I am going to implement the statement written here. So, how many times this is? This is 4 times. So, which is equal to the number of rows here. So, 4 stars we will be getting. So, the pattern would be like this. And in the next iteration, when I is equal to 2, j will start from 4 again. So, 4, now j is 3, and now 2. So, as I is equal to 2, I am going to stop the j value as 4, 3, 2. How many times the star is going to get printed? It is 3 times, and this pattern goes till j becomes 1 or j. So, this pattern goes till the number of rows. So, that is n rows. So, we will be having 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars and 1 star. So, this is the logic behind it. And now, what is going to go in the inner loop? It is the same asterisk. Here I am going to remove the ln, because ln represents printing in the next line, but we want in each row printing in the same line. And after one row, we have to go to the next line. So, I have written the print ln statement. So, this is the nested for loop concept, and now I will close the object as it is of no use now. So, I have written the code, and now let us check if it is working or not. So, let me open the terminal. So, the shortcut to open the terminal is Ctrl plus backtick. So, let me open it again. Now, javac invert triangle dot java. Do take care of the name you are writing here, name of the file, and now I will run the file invert triangle. So, let me give the input of 4 as we had discussed about it. So, look at this, I have got 4, 3, 2, 1 stars. So, this is the perfect inverted right angle triangle pattern which we had discussed. So, this is how you do this code using the nested for loop. If you want to also join this 100 days of coding challenge, do join the WhatsApp group for the 100 days of coding challenge from eCode. The link is put in the description below. Thank you for watching.